Samsung simply irritated everyone. Samsung's next Unpacked event has some unsettling details set to emerge. It's pretty much confirmed at this point through various leaks that Samsung is repeating the same formula with the Z Fold 5, as they did with the Fold 4. It's like Apple level bad. We knew beforehand that the Fold 5 will be very similar to the Fold 4 with no changes to the screen or cameras. So everyone's hopes were set on the new water droplet hinge design, but it turns out it's just 14% better, to the point where it's barely perceptible when compared to the Fold 4. If Oppo can do it and create a creaseless fold, why can't Samsung? According to this intimate information obtained from Samsung employees through Ice Universe, it cannot even be called the Z Fold 4S. As disappointing as it is, and Samsung is presumably aware of it, they are definitely changing the script and making the Z Flip 5 the star of the show at least this year. According to recent years' sales of foldable phones, Samsung's Flip is always the most popular foldable phone of the year, with Flip 5 getting its biggest design change and having custom-designed Google apps for its outer display, as well as third-party social media apps. It's also been reported that Samsung is expanding production of the Flip 5 in order to vigorously compete with the iPhone 15 series. Based on all of this, Samsung must have high hopes for the Flip 5 when combined with the most recent amazing hardware that we've seen on the Galaxy S23 series, and I have to say that I'm actually thrilled for this phone. As for the Fold 5, it appears that this may not be the genuine upgrade that we wanted to see compared to the Fold 4, and even Samsung employees aren't thrilled, so it gives us the perspective that we'll definitely have conclusive answers soon as more leaks emerge. The Unpacked event, which will take place for the first time in South Korea, is set for July 27th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.